You can't manage time. You can't. Everybody is 24 hours. What is most important is managing yourself. What you do with your time. The only difference between successful people and unsuccessful people is how you use their time. Listen to me. People who are going to the top, people who are going to make an impact, people who are going to achieve their goals are the people who are mindful on how they use their time. You have to practice to being mindful and ask yourself, is this most productive use of my time? If you use your time correctly, you will be able to generate walk away money. Once again, if you use your time correctly, you will be able to generate walk away money. Come on now, look around you. You can see people have a lot of talent, a lot of abilities, but they are not using their time appropriately. You don't manage your time. You have to manage yourself. Use your time productively, wisely, correctly, and appropriately on working, reading, listening, studying, and enjoying. Do you want to become a great leader, a good businessman, a good presenter? Please invest your effort and time. Here, I am sharing with you a powerful quote. Sometimes you never know the value of moments until it becomes a memory. Sometimes you never know the value of moments until it becomes a memory. Oh my goodness, what a powerful statement. Learn every day something new. Learn every day new skill. Remember, if you are not willing to learn, nobody can help you. If you are willing to learn, no one can stop you. If you are not willing to learn, nobody can help you. If you are willing to learn, no one can stop you. Use your time wisely. Maximize your moment. It is your time. This is your time. This is my time. Time, our most precious resource. You must remain focused on your journey to greatness. Either you run the day or the day runs you. So, let's stop wasting time and start maximizing the moment.